In Chaitanya Charitamrita, there's some verses that glorify Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his reason for coming, why Lord Chaitanya came. There are external reasons and internal reasons. And he mentions in some verses, he came as a teacher. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is, just like we have prayers, or have a book by Bhaktivinoda, Chaitanya Shiksha Amrita. Shiksha Amrita, the nectarian teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he came to taste the love of Srimati Radharani and experience her happiness. And what does it mean, her feelings of love when she serves Krishna, how she's tasting Krishna's love. And then, that's internal reasons. Then externally, he came to teach. This is bhakti, this is prema bhakti, this is braja bhakti, this is Vaishnav Sadachar. So he was a great teacher. And oftentimes, professors and people of the modern world, they say, yes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was a great social reformer. He did away with the caste system. He was a social reformer. He was a great teacher. Teacher. But if you say, well, was he God? Oh, no, he wasn't God. They say like that. So he was, in fact, the greatest. He was the Mahaprabhu, the greatest master, the greatest of all teachers. So he came to teach what? Prem. He came to teach Prem. And this is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorified in Adi Lila 4, verses 100 through 103. Prema bhakti shikaite apane avatari radhabhava kanti dui angikara kari. To teach prema bhakti shika or shiksha, devotional service and love of Godhead, Krishna appeared as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with the bhav and kanti, with the mood, mellow or love of Srimati Radharani, Radha Bhav, and the kanti, the effulgence, the color, of a complexion of Sri Radha.